to slow down so you guys can understand me. Just kidding. I'm so freaking excited for this box. Okay, happy 1-year anniversary Quirky Crate. So last year, October 2018, I signed up for my very first Quirky Crate box. My mom found it on some blog and she was like, hey, you should sign up for this. And I was like, heck yeah. So I signed up. I got the October box. And ever since then, I have been in love with this box. So if you don't know anything about Quirky Crate, hang on. It is October. It is the best month of the year. I'm so excited. Okay, so Quirky Crate is a monthly subscription box. In it, you get a bunch of so many freaking cute stuff. In it, you get every box, you get a purse. I love the bags that I receive in my Quirky Crate box because they remind me so much of the Betsy Johnson aesthetic. You also get a pair of socks. You get a piece of flair. This is my flair jacket. It's honestly missing a lot of flair. Like I have a box of flair that I still have to put on this jacket. I have like 5 months worth of flair waiting to be put on this jacket. So this is the official Quirky Crate review jacket. I wear this every time I unbox a Quirky Crate box. I've gotten sunglasses, I get socks, I get stationery, I get so many amazing things inside of this box. Each month has a theme. If you're looking for 10% off your first box, I have a code popping up right here, and I have a code in the description box down below if you want to sign up. So with all of that said, let's get into Quirky Crate. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, ooh. Spooky! It's black tissue paper. It says, hey girl, yes, treat your quirky self. Oh, it's Halloween. I'm so excited. Okay, I have been looking forward to this for like since last October. Like October is the best month, it's Halloween month. So this month's theme, I don't know. It's just, okay, it says Happy Halloween on the back. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, so I love Quirky Crate. I think this is so freaking cool. Each month, they kind of showcase an underground artist. They have like a piece inside of this box that the underground, I always say undercover, and this month I'm saying underground. That's the power of October. They showcase them on the card, and usually recently it's been a piece of flair from that artist. So, holy crap! Oh my god, okay. Look at this. Okay, so it's gummy bears! Frick, I knew it. Okay, so I was like getting ready for this video and I was like, I really want to wear my gold hoops because I'm wearing like this popcorn shirt. And I was like, yeah, I should wear my gummy bear earrings. Like, yeah. And I was like, no, just wear your gold hoops. Like, you feel so like amazing in gold hoops. So I have, I'm so excited. Please don't tangle it. I'm 21 and I still cannot like act like an adult in any situation when it comes to these things. Okay, so I basically managed to tangle this necklace. Awesome. Beautiful job. Ooh, okay. We basically got, yes, I got it untangled. Oh my God. Oh yes. I'm going to be so cool. Honestly, I'm going to steal everybody's looks. Like everyone's just going to be looking at me. She'll be like, I'm going to be like, call Vogue. Ready for my close-up. I'm going to do my best. I'm not that good at this. Okay, don't judge. Don't judge. I'm just going to try my best. Okay, let's just pretend that I managed to successfully get this collapsed. Look at it. It's so cute. I have gummy bears on my neck. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Yes. Okay, so sweet. I got a necklace. Okay, holy crap. What the hell is this? Oh, yo, that is so freaking amazing. Yo, what? Okay, I need to stop yelling. I'm sorry if you have a headache. I'm sorry if you wanted this to be a calm unboxing. Y'all know I'm not calm about anything. Okay, so look at this. This is a spider bite. This is gonna freak me out. I'm gonna forget that I have this. I'm gonna be using it. Forget that I have it. I'm gonna flip out when I see this like massive spider sitting on my table. Okay, so this spider bite creepy crawly cord controller. What has 8 legs, 2 headphones, and is crawling your shirt right now? Spider bite. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Look at my bat hairpin. Yes, Halloween. This creepy anarchist will organize your unruly cords with spider-like precision. Say goodbye to the tangled web of technology. Okay, that is so freaking cool. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a piece of flair, and it's a pin that says, your future looks bright. Ooh, that's so cute. Can we see that? I hope we can. Yes, that's so cute. Okay, I seriously still need to get a table. Like, I'm balancing this box on my leg. Ooh. Oh, spell no. This patch, yes. Oh, I'm trying to unbag everything so we can actually see it without any reflections. Yes. Oh, that is so cute. I love the bright green. We got some spooky socks. Yes. These are so cute. I love the bright yellow. I love the socks because they aren't like, these are like actually like in the fabric of the sock. Like they're not printed on, and they're so super soft. Yes, I love the Halloween vibes. Okay, so we're making our way through. What is this? Ooh, I see a massive black cat. Kitty! What is it? It's a kitty, I can tell you that, but I don't know what it is. Like, is it a scarf, a blanket? Kitty. Kitty. Is it a pillow? Because last year, oh, my cat came in and said kitty, and here she is right now. Oh my God. Oh, Frank, look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Stop jumping up and down. Look at it. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. Holy crap. Yes. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I feel, I'm happy. I'm so happy right now, but I'm so sad that this box is over. I've been looking forward to it so long, and I just went through it like that, like less than 10 minutes. Okay, so now that we've unboxed everything that we got in our October Quirky Crate box, which is now sadly over, let's take a look and look at the pricing of everything. So the spooky cat socks has a retail value of $9. The pumpkin purse has a retail value of $30. Your Future Looks Bright enamel pin has a retail value of $10. The colorful cat scarf, oh, okay, it's a scarf, has a retail value of $12. Band of Weirdos Oh Spell No patch has a retail value of $8. That patch was made by the featured artist of the month. Boom. The gummy bear necklace, oh my God, I love this, has a retail value of $15. And the Spider Bite cord controller has a retail value of $6.50 with a total value of $90.50. This is a $40 box. Holy crap, Quirky Crate, thank you for making an October box. Happy anniversary. Yes, so excited. Okay, honestly, the purse, but the gummy bear necklace, and honestly, this, yes, there's so many things I love in this box. What was your favorite piece in the October Quirky Crate? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.